In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save open tabs when you close Chrome and continue where you left off. If you've ever been in the middle of browsing, doing research, shopping, or working on multiple pages at once, and then had to close Chrome, this setting can save you a lot of time. Instead of reopening every website manually, Chrome can automatically bring back the tabs you had open the next time you launch the browser. It's a simple feature, but it makes your browsing experience much more convenient. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to a lot of browser options, including settings, history, downloads, and more. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page, where you can customize how the browser works. On the Settings screen, look through the options on the left side, or scroll if needed until you find the section called On Startup. Click on Startup to open those startup preferences. Now you'll see a few choices for what Chrome should do when it launches. The option you want is Continue where you left off. Click on that option to enable it. Once this setting is selected, Chrome will remember the tabs and windows you had open when you last closed the browser, and it will restore them the next time you open Chrome. This is especially helpful if you regularly work with several tabs at once, or if you tend to pause your browsing and come back to it later. Just keep in mind that Chrome will reopen your previous session. So, if you had many tabs open, they may all load again when you start the browser. If your computer is a bit slower, it may take a moment for everything to appear. Also, this feature works best when Chrome closes normally. If the browser or computer shuts down unexpectedly, Chrome may still try to restore your tabs, but the result can vary depending on the situation. And that's it. After turning on Continue where you left off, Chrome will help you pick up right where you stopped, without the hassle of reopening each tab one by one.